everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use natural disaster weather machine in Fish It. So in this news update, there's a brand new feature that called a natural disaster weather machine on Classic Island, and it can seriously boost your fishing. And to activate or to use this machine, just head over to the Classic Island like this, and once you're there, just go to this area and look for the yellow weather machine. This one, this machine. This machine retro disaster like this, and then just tap on it, and then in here you can activate natural disaster buff to support your fishing. You can select up to 2 disaster at the same time, and there are 4 different types of natural disaster, and each one will give a different effect, so just pick the ones that fits your need. There are a retro tornado, and then retro lightning, retro volcano, and then raining tacos like this. And to activate them, you will need ticks like this, and you can get these ticks simply by fishing around Classic Island. So just keep grinding, and after that, your retro disaster or natural disaster will be active to boost your fishing activities. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.